Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and fellow enthusiasts,
it is a great honor to stand before you today to share my excitement and optimism about the incredible potential that artificial intelligence holds for our future. In this rapidly evolving world, we are witnessing groundbreaking advancements that seemed like a distant dream just a few years ago. From self-driving cars to intelligent robots, we are truly on the cusp of a new era of innovation.
As we gather here today, I want to emphasize the importance of being upbeat and hopeful about the developments in AI, for it is this positive mindset that will enable us to harness the power of AI and guide it towards the betterment of society.
The self-driving car is a prime example of the life-changing possibilities that AI can offer. Imagine a world where our roads are safer, more efficient, and less congested. AI-powered autonomous vehicles promise to revolutionize transportation, making it more accessible for the elderly, the differently abled, and everyone in between. By reducing human error, we can prevent countless accidents and save lives while also reducing our carbon footprint through optimized traffic management.
As we marvel at the advancements in self-driving technology, let us not overlook the extraordinary potential of robots in our daily lives. From companionship and caregiving to performing tasks that are too dangerous or repetitive for humans, robots have the capacity to transform our world for the better. The integration of AI and robotics will open up new opportunities in healthcare, disaster relief, and countless other fields, improving the quality of life for millions around the globe.
However, as we forge ahead into this exciting future, we must also be mindful of the ethical and societal implications of these advancements. It is our collective responsibility to ensure that AI technologies are developed and deployed with transparency, inclusivity, and fairness at their core. By fostering a culture of collaboration and open dialogue among researchers, policymakers, and the public, we can address these concerns and build a future that is both innovative and equitable.
Let us also remember that with the advent of AI, it is crucial to invest in education and skills development, preparing our workforce for the new opportunities that lie ahead. This includes not only technical skills, but also fostering creativity, empathy, and adaptability in our citizens. By doing so, we can create a harmonious coexistence between humans and AI, where both can complement each other, driving us towards a more prosperous and sustainable future.
In conclusion, let us be upbeat about the possibilities that AI offers. As we stand on the brink of a new era in human history, we have the power to shape our future. Through collaboration, innovation, and optimism, we can unlock the full potential of AI, self-driving cars, and robots, paving the way for a brighter, safer, and more inclusive world for generations to come. Thank you.